Hey everybody, we're back live, Edinburgh Manor in Iowa. We are gonna head back to the boiler room area where we were before live. Since it got kind of active in here, we're gonna try it again, see what happens. Yep, we're back. Thanks for hanging in there with us, Eric. All right. Can we, does it go, it goes in there, doesn't it? Yeah.
You scared me. No, I had to make sure it was on first because it's on the bottom.
Got it? Uh-oh.
That was me. Yes.
All right, I'm gonna pull it back just a little bit. Okay. We're gonna try this again with the obelisk and the dowsing rods. Is that in there good?
Yeah, that's on there. I'm just trying to make sure I'm level
Okay.
with the.
Well, the obelisk is already telling us no.
Stop it, it is in there.
This is the true or false setting on the obelisk, but we're gonna use it as yes or no, with red for no and green for yes. And we're gonna see if the answers correspond with each other with the dowsing rods.
Can you light up green for yes for me?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Did they just whip open?
Open for yes. Close for no. Thank you, reset. Is there anyone in here that wants to speak with us?
The dowsing rod said no.
Well, thank you for that.
Did the obelisk answer?
Yeah, I said no too. We got a double no.
Okay.
If we tell you that we're just here to visit, if we tell you that we're just here to visit and to spend the evening here with you, would you speak to us?
Ours said no. Are we speaking to the same person we were talking to earlier? No for you, yes for us. Do we still have multiple spirits in here? Before I can finish? Do we still have multiple spirits in here trying to communicate?
Do you hear the owl outside?
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Are there more than 5 spirits in this room with us?
Are there more than 5 spirits in the room with us? Are there more than 5 mice in the room with us?
Oh,
Double
come
yes.
on.
Thank you, Lisa.
Did you live here? Don't have to answer that.
Thank you for the duck. No. The owl said no.
Mm-hmm.
You all right, Jen?
Mm-hmm. If you need me to take over, I can.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It is way colder in here than it was
yes.
when we were in here before, just like an hour ago.
Yeah, I was like warm in here before.
Yeah.
Now I'm pretty cold. Are you making it cold in here?
I'm not come back.
Yes. That's true. Yeah, we won't have to.
No training from that.
Anger and sorrow.
That's what they're feeling?
My hand was just like,
Thanks, Eric, for hanging out. The obelisk said yes. No. Yeah. Confusion.
A little bit. Reset.
no, instantly.
Really? Reset, please.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, come on now.
It said it didn't want to talk to us.
Yeah. I
Can
see
you
that.
please reset?
Do you feel the energy? Don't they feel,
No.
don't they,
Yeah.
I mean, not weight-wise, but doesn't it just feel like
Yeah.
there's something pulling on them?
Nick just said, first time I was in that place, the tour guide tried telling me that they burned bodies in there,
Oh.
like in this room.
What?
Like in there.
Like Freddy Krueger style?
Freddy Krueger didn't burn it.
Oh, it's been a long time since
Okay, I'm assuming, are you
In the
agreeing?
furnace.
Yeah,
What
I
the
don't
hell?
know.
Did you see that?
Yes, it was another mouse.
Was it?
I said
Or
there's
it
more
was-
than 5 in here.
It was either the same one or another one.
Where did it go?
It went like by that sheet.
Okay.
Probably under there with his little mouse stand.
Oh, that was I broke nothing.
Broken.
I'm broken.
I'm broken.
Can you please reset?
Yeah, that sounds right. I don't know about bodies getting burnt. I don't think that they're trying to talk to you.
No. It's a no again.
One more
Say
time.
pretty please.
Will you please reset for me?
Yeah.
It said yes.
Oh, did you hear that?
Did you hear that? Was that you that made that noise behind me?
He said, go where it's warm.
Go where it's warm.
Go where it's warm. And we're
Where's that?
hearing, yeah, we're hearing sounds coming from up there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Agreeing with the noises.
Hi, welcome back, Ohio Mom. She said, I feel like people were put in the incinerator. I mean, look at that thing.
Do you see where this is pointing?
Oh.
She said, I felt like that before you took a break.
And it said yes.
How do we know if we're hearing a mouse or if we're actually
That's-
hearing something else?
Well, right
Right.
now,
So we've
you can't really assume that it's anything unless you hear, like, you hear a shuffle or something, you have to assume it's a mouse.
Yeah. Okay. And it's cold, so of course you're gonna have like the.
I have never seen a mouse anywhere in this building other than this room.
Me either.
Doesn't mean that they're not, but.
Right. Can you reset for me?
Shelby says, ask why they are upset. If they are upset, I feel upset and angry and lost. I would just have to say, I believe if they were here that they have every right to feel that way.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
It will not move off my shoulder. Like it's almost pressing against my arm.
Mhm.
Like it's not wanting to like move.
What was that?
I don't.
Did you hear that?
Mhm.
What the hell is going on?
Move, right?
Mhm.
I heard like a puff that sounded like a
That's
snort,
what I
deer
heard at
snort,
first, yeah.
and then just heard like almost like a whining.
Like a higher pitch.
Yeah, high-pitched whining
Yeah.
sound.
Making the noises.
Randy, we're at Edinburgh Manor in Iowa. The door, close to the door. the door behind her, that door. That's where we heard a noise coming from just a minute ago.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're hearing noises coming from like over here.
Can you point where you are?
There are sounds coming from all around us right now.
Mm-hmm.
There's a owl outside
Yep.
that's
It's
really loud
constant.
that we can hear in here. Do you see it again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's coming up behind you. I'm just kidding.
Stop! You. What is wrong with you? There's so many layers on it. If it went on my pants, I wouldn't be able to get it out. God. God. I woke you with one of these.
It just went across the ledge.
That's just a mouse. He's not gonna hurt.
I know, but I just don't want to.
I didn't even know there was a ledge there. I just thought something dark running across
You know what?
the
I didn't
wall.
either. I just thought it was just.
Part of the brick.
Yeah.
Illusion.
I don't think these like me very much.
A
They're not.
6-year-old girl is there. She wants a doll. Please be careful. I
Ooh.
got an attachment doing this. We're very careful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we always say prayers and cleanse ourselves and everything like that. We definitely don't make this. I mean, even though we're very open and playful, we don't make a joke out of this
Right.
when it comes to
Safety.
yes, absolutely. What did they say about a girl?
You want the doll?
How old was she?
6.
I have a 6-year-old daughter. Are you gonna talk to me?
Mm-mm.
No. I feel like it's
Do you hear that owl? It's
No,
getting
it's not.
louder and louder and
it's getting
louder.
closer.
It's louder now that we're in here than
Yeah.
it was when we were coming in here
Mhm.
Yeah.
from outside.
I feel like it's just getting closer and closer. Yeah, I feel like these are.
You got some help in here.
Very,
I'm
yeah,
sorry.
I know. I mean, they won't even like, when I asked it to reset, they won't even respond to me like that. And that's really good.
So for the session, goodbye, thank you.
Yeah, one more time. Can you reset for me?
I just got like a cold breeze right across my face.
Okay, but my legs are like.
Mm.
Okay, so I know you don't. So, all right, well, thank you. I'm gonna stop now. Thank you.
And it said no. Okay, thank you, goodbye.
Thank you, goodbye.
He said, outside is as scary as inside. I was knocked down by a shadow figure over by the cows. We've gotten some crazy pictures
Oh,
and seen some
creepy
experience.
Outside.
I just
Yeah.
We've been
ran from the
ran
picnic table to
in
the
back in.
this evening.
I think
guys-
that happened last time
okay.
with us, too.
All right. So do you guys want to go up on first floor and set up the SDs
Yep.
Yeah.
and run that? And it said yes on the obelisk.
Okay, thank you.
And it said yes again. You want to just grab that like that?
Yeah.
All right. We have everything.
I believe so.
Okay, moving right along. Goodbye, mouse.
Okay.
That's fine. Where are they going?
At least.
It's fine.